This is the ingredients I'll need to make a fig dessert and a fig savory. And you'll see it in the next recipe I'll make. Stay tuned. Hello. Today I'll be preparing fig dessert and caramelized figs, if you might call it. And I'm going to need the rosemary sticks to put through the figs. And that's the first step. And now we're going to just pierce the rosemary stick into the figs, and it'll give them a delicious flavor when they're in the oven. And we're going to do so with all of them. And voila. That's it. So now we're going to just put sugar, like I'm putting raw sugar, and then balsamic vinegar on top of the figs, and just let them sit for a little bit. In a hot pan, we're going to put like 6-7 tablespoons of sugar, raw sugar, and let it, we need it to caramelize, so we're going to let it caramelize for a little bit. Now this is caramelizing. We're going to add some butter to it. Turn the heat off. Put the heat back on and add some water, because we don't want it too thick, right? Cinnamon sticks and lemongrass, and we're going to put it back into the figs. And this is going to be delicious. And we're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. And so I added lemongrass sticks, cinnamon sticks, and a little bit of vanilla on top. And now it's going to go in the oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. And voila. I hope you try. So the figs now, they're caramelized, baked in the oven, and they're fluffy now and ready. They're gonna be perfect with the cheese, which we're gonna be using the buffalo cheese. You're going to see the presentation. And I hope you try this. It looks amazing.